Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Dr. Hu from South Africa. So here's my second office. During the lockdown period, I mostly work from here. In this video, we're going to discuss one topic, where we come from, or in Chinese medicine and acupuncture theories, where are we come from? When we study Chinese medicine and acupuncture, there's no way to avoid this question. Although we don't focus on here, we don't focus on where we come from. As we have said in the previous videos, in the lectures, that's where we come from, or before life, or after life, after death. We don't really focus on that because Chinese medicine is not focused on these two ends. We focus on human life, human health. But because of our theories, there's many theories related to such as yin and yang or qi. There's no way to avoid discussing, because although we skip there, where we come from, but when we discuss how our movement or the circulation in our body become, how we can be healthy, we have to talk about qi. But when we talk about qi, initially, there's one aspect of qi. In the theories, in the philosophy, we actually believe that humans from qi. Human comes from qi. So when you hear from here, you might be confused. If I'm Christian, if I'm Muslim, there's other ways of where human come from, which I believe. Human come from God or from other religion, or as we said in the other videos, we said human in Buddhism, they believe human from the past life. Okay, here's one picture. I want to show you. This theories actually we are using, as you can see here, qi is separate to clear qi and cloudy qi. From the clear qi, so even in Chinese medicine, we adopted theories from Asian philosophy, and then we also adopted this theories that human being is from qi, clear qi. Human being is from clear qi, and the cloudy qi, which is not clear, not transparent, that kind of qi. That's where the wounds come from. So as you can see from this picture, human being is made from clear qi. Worms or the other animals is made from cloudy qi. Do you believe this? Or if I said this are the fundamental of Chinese medicine theories, what do you think? Do you want to study something like this? And why I said this is true, and that's, you will know that's not something I convince you. In the previous video, we said the wording in Chinese medicine and acupuncture. This wording is Asian wording, so even the characters, the definition we use is quite old, and such as qi. Qi is a direct translation from Mandarin. And the reason why we don't use some English words to replace this qi. The reason is we cannot find one single word can present similar meaning of qi. Okay, back to this picture. Qi, human beings made from qi, and the wounds made from cloudy qi. You might be confused, but I will give you the other picture. Okay, from the second picture, the chemical elements. From the science, we will see that our universe, human beings, all the worms, the animals, all the plants, all the nature, the planets, all these different stuff are made of the chemical elements, although they got different percentage, right? So there's no argument from this conclusion that we are made from chemical elements. Different chemical elements consisted of different stuff. That's correct, right? So in this picture, everyone agrees here. The certain percentage of the chemical elements, the certain percentage. So certain percentage of the chemical is like the formula. How many capsules, how many sodium in the formula. That's the components of our human body. But from here, from this formula of our human body, of the components of our human body, now I gave you one definition. The clear qi refers to the certain component, certain amounts of chemical elements. So it will be the same story. When you see these two pictures, the certain the percentage of the chemical elements that's where our human body come from. The clear qi represents certain percentage of the chemical elements. Now you can agree this formula is correct. So the other percentage of the chemical elements can form the worms. That's where you come from. That's why we use this picture. The cloudy qi made of worm, and human being is made from clear qi. But a human being made from the chemical elements only. If you put the same percentage of the chemical elements of our human being in a lab tube, will that chemical elements become or transformed into human being? Obviously, the answer is no. So here is just one example that gives us a more clear understanding. That's why we keep using qi. Qi can present anything in the universe. We call it qi. The reason why we don't replace qi with other words, that's also so exactly because we don't know what's qi. But from here, from philosophy, you will understand, you will know that's why we said human being from qi. Qi, although we don't know what's qi, but the human being from there, and this qi can represent all kinds of stuff which made of a human. That's very similar to here. So when we study Chinese medicine, when we study acupuncture, especially for these terms, don't focus on the term, don't be confused by the terms, because these terms can refer to very broad aspects. Here's one example of the medical terms in Chinese medicine. In philosophy we use. So when you study these terms, you need to be careful. Don't be confused by these old sayings. Thank you for watching our video today. For more information, you can visit our website.